Hi guys, my name is Roger and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the synthesizer of the SP-808 without using an external MIDI keyboard and without using the Step Modulator. The only thing you need is just one MIDI cable. Let's find out. Here we go. So I'm now going to show you how to use the virtual synthesizer without using the step modulator and without using an external keyboard. And only I need is this cable, just an ordinary MIDI cable. I'm going to connect this one to the MIDI in and this one to the MIDI out. So I create a loop. Let's do it. So I go to MIDI in, this one to MIDI out. Now I do system, I have to set the MIDI parameters, so we do number 2, set MIDI parameters, and I'm going to change this one, the pet transmit channel. I change it to 11. Why 11? Because the effects control channel is also on 11 and the synthesizer is an effect, so therefore I have to change it to number 11. It's changed now. Now I search for a synthesizer sound. I go to FX info and okay, let's choose this one, step bass number 1, change yes. So if I turn now the real-time effects, I should be able to play with the pads the synthesizer. First I choose an empty bank, let's say bank number 15. This bank is empty, otherwise I will hear the samples, but I only want to hear now the synthesizer. So I turn now the real-time effects on, and now I should be able to play with the synthesizer of the SP-808. Let's give it a try. So I've got here 60 notes of a MIDI keyboard playing the internal virtual synthesizer. Okay, now I can adjust, of course, the note because this is very high. I'm going to lower it here on chords and also here. Or I can make a fifth of it. And I also can change the portamento time, portamento on. Okay, just you don't need an external keyboard, or you don't need to play with the step modulator. You can play with the pads, which is a very cool feature, in my opinion. What you also can do is sample. You can also sample these sounds. So what I do now, sampling on pad number 1, and here I can choose, for example, level, because when there is a level coming in, it's starting to record. Let's give it a try. Effects on. Let's see if it has sampled. Let's turn it off here. Okay, it's nothing. I don't play anything, but it's just an example of you can record this synthesizer by playing with the pads. So it's now up to you. You can add beats, you can create deep bass sounds, you can create synthesizer effects and create another effect. Well, the sky is the limit. Just an amazing feature of the Roland SP-808. Thank you for watching and see you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.